Hi, good afternoon. Today is 15th May 2026. Time is 10 past 8 p.m. here in Cranford. Actually, I moved to West Drayton near Heathrow. Actually, it's actually known as Heathrow area, generally speaking. Yesterday, I was in Slough, fully alert. They are here also alert. 28th April, no, 27th, sorry, August. MI5 agent, Mr. James Bond, Mr. James came with his uh, female counterpart, uh, making talking bad about MI5, making a complaint. MI5 not on to you, of course. Shabana Mahmood, Shmeem Begum, look, airport, Sri Lanka, Pakistani cricket team, SL.SL, ISIL, Daesh Sports. Today, Donald Trump pedos announcing no, Libya, no, Lebanon is Israel. Lebanon and Israel sports paused. Can start anytime. Cricket or hockey. Spoji. 25th April 1, 2026 one this time. That was 20, I was talking about 27th August, early 10 a.m. 2025 in Birmingham. Shamana Mahmood was on her way. I was going to say on his way. I'm sitting in some kind of a play area, chat area. Don't beat those. Worry about some doubting. Hopefully they don't come this way. We'll run away over there. I was doing a web search just about 2014 Pakistan. I just talked to my housemates about I used to go to school in Tal area. That's near Afghanistan. My father was in army, and that's a federal government school, army school. I will talk about in details later on. And after very few days, Peshawar, I think it's an army school, highly educated, white, English medium. Highly educated kids were getting killed. Sports 150. Sports. Another. Let's see which aircraft. The United. Sports. Then I was just searching when Bangladesh came to an existence. It's 16th December 1971. My date of birth 26 January 1972. My mom used to say Indian used to bomb because they used to live near the airport or oil facilities, and Indian aircraft used to come and bomb. And she was heavily pregnant with me. My father was near Rajasthan or Gujarat border with Afghanistan. The most army was stuck in Bangladesh, wherever. She was living with her, not in-laws, but the family, with her brother and his wife. Granddad, maternal one, died. I was the only one who wasn't born in CMH. All three other brothers were born in CMH, Combined Military Hospital. She used to run to the heavily pregnant to go trenches, and I used to start kicking. He used to tell me that. What's that is? Icelandic line. Reykjavik, hydrogen, water breaking, what a combination. Iceland, ICL. What a Cuba, Sri Lankan airline, then ISIL. Iceland and Nordic, pure. That's what 2010 or 11 BBC. I don't know. It's very early. Very cheetah print, dark skin, Indian Paki origin. Indian, most likely Pakistani origin. Who's that behind? He was saying to Nick Griffin, I go to Iceland. Too many whites there. Leave it Britain for me. I said that's a bad news. That's a bad news. Bad news for me. And I voted for the Nick Glag. Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg, why you was his Christian value? She's my wife was foreign European. It was Ed Miliband, no, Ed Davy, Liberal Democrats, far left, far right, center left, center right. Have you seen that movie Saw? Pendulum. It's actually go left and right. No. It's a pendulum, left and right, zero. Donald Trump's dollar. David and Goliath sling. Spark here, spark there. Anyways, I said about put a finger in the vagina. I said about Goliath by applying for the patent, inventing these inventions. Bitches onto me, son of bitches, brothel. Harvey Weinstein is suddenly not enough evidence. Pedos, rapist. You're gonna see. I have no idea where are my daughters. Young white English girl gone over there. Very decent girl. Are you playing with the children or not British? I was just, yeah. That's British judge will decide, inshallah ta'ala. Playing for these children. One blunt, very decent girl gone over there. Young teenager or maybe 18 or whatever, under 18. I'm not moving camera to her. Very like my daughter. Very lovely child. You're playing with their careers. Car park. Rapist. I'm looking around. Gangsters are shouting over there. Yeah, I was saying, yeah. British. That's the British aircraft. That's my country. They're all right. Honestly, I wish I have enough money. I travel around the world. Once I was desperate. Oh, that was lovely. I was gonna say I was almost got the. I got the job actually, British Airways. Something else happened. I will explain later on. That would have been much better. If I were a boy, Beyonce. Yeah, I was telling something important, I think. Yeah, so I just about 16th December 2010, and I was actually had a plan. I think 3rd or 4th January. I bought the ticket, Turkish airline. Then the crash landing happened somewhere, Manaz, Uzbekistan. Turkish airline. It was a cheap Turkish airline. Then I cancelled. I did not even claim it. I could not. I think I could not. Maybe, but I did not. I could not. It was a cheap ticket when you cannot cancel it or change it. The British Airways. The 16th, BBC, all world news. Shooting happened. Then also search it for 1st to 3rd Barcelona, Dagestan. No, actually is Dagestan, South Russia. Kivka, Caracas. No, Kivka. Caucasus, Caucasian look. Caucasus, Chichi, Georgian look, Armenian, Dagestan, Boston bombing. Joe Biden knows something about the Boston bombing. Who actually was behind that? Chichi. Lot of kids were killed, shot dead. Children's Bani Israel now. Children specialist. Children specialist. What will happen to their career? Borrowing from future bankers, yeah. We will talk about that banking later on. Something I was important talking about it. And then they fully alert now because they, the Pakistan actually existed days 14th of 14th August to 1947 from Britain, and then the 50 August is Indian Day of Independence, 1947. Pakistan is actually technically Independence Day is 16th 1971. When I came here, Pakistan was a brand new country. The reason I'm mentioning at that time, all the documents were wide because that was a different country. East Pakistan, Pakistan, because the new country, West Pakistan, was no more. It was a different country. It was a different ideology. They did not have a constitution at that time. That came later, 1974, 5. Zulfikar Bhutto, I think. They did not have a constitution, Islamic constitution. Later on came Islamic Republic of Pakistan, name of Israel came of only two countries at that time. Name came for the name of religion. One is Israel, one is Pakistan. Israel is a different, you have to have a genetic code, Israelite code to claim that. That's a debatable, very debatable. You cannot be a convert to Judaism. But that was at that time Pakistan's new day. A reason I'm mentioning, I was born in Karachi, but my passport and all the documents says it's a Jhelum, all other brothers, because that time it was like only the fathers and mothers, usually Pakistan fathers, origin or something. It's like a domicile they were giving identification. Otherwise, still many Bengalis or Biharis or other nations, still their children are stateless. They haven't got any country's passport identification up till now. They born in Pakistan, Bangladesh. Just did not have the money, or they were not aware of what's going on. They were pro-Pakistan. They didn't want a separation. It doesn't really matter. They still, cannot leave some part of the Karachi even, let alone they grown up. Forget the Gaza. अरे पाकिस्तानी मुझे बनाओ ना यार, वे देखो क्या होता है इनके साथ प्राइम मिनिस्टर. ये बाद में बात करेंगे. पंजाबी भी आती है, उर्दू भी आती है. बहुत सारे सिख, क्रिश्चियन, हिंदू एक्टिव हुए हैं इधर. पता नहीं क्या है पूरा, ये उनका मशहूर है फिंगर इन द वजाइना. लेट्स remain English at the moment. Remain very emotional. MI5 not onto you. On earth, Sajid Javed revoking nationality, Shabana Mahmood. No, sorry, other one. Shamim Begum playing British children now. They openly saying what is Canadian agents for taking, because they Anthony Albanese is British. Let's make British Empire great again. How to remove radicals? Onion is a dark web. Onion mera, lesson mera. Removed from radicals. Radical ions, radical people. Extremists play with other people's lives na. Testastic immigration custom exempt. Sir, steer car were going Mark Carney, crony economy. No mind change, heart change. Anyway, some people are here saying we will talk about it later on. And let's go to a local mosque. I'm going to masjid, local masjid. Maghrib time happening. Some Pakistani guys. Shabana Mahmood. Look, Hana behind on the end. Student visa, that's immigration. All my life, what will happen if they start giving? And they mean not only India, Pakistan, Kenya, Uganda, Rwanda, inshallah ta'ala, rest of it, Mexico, Brazil, Lula Silva, what will happen? Ethanol car, lot of sugar cane, sugar slaves, na? Amazon, Jere, Balsor, Naro, white bitch. Christianity, Catholicism in danger, Israel danger, Islam in danger. Yeah, You have no idea. Hindus are in danger. Sikhs are in danger. Communism in danger. Atheism in danger. Danger, man. So, sometimes I'm talking very random, and most likely one will find not very coherent conversation, but I can elaborate. Whoever can find out from YouTube. One dark skin Pakistani is smoking. One Indian auntie is over there. Uncle was doing. Let's get her. Randomly going to. Hindus are in danger. Islam is in danger. Oh, over there, Heathrow. Cranes Water. Which park is that? Just Bakerley Meadows. So, because and the military aircraft, Algerian, please very slow. Balad al-Shams, Balid al-Shams, slow. Crash landed. Illusion, having an illusion is a. That was 2018, 10 March 2018 again. Then I search Kazan 2013 aircraft landing. 44 dialing code, James Bond is 007. No, Britain is 0044. Scottish referendum. Let's change. That was 44% said yes. No. 56% said no. Now you do Wikipedia is changed now. It's some different percentage. I said something. Before they released it, referendum was that much fixed. John Sweeney. Becky uncle was on to me. The whites move away. Leave it for us, that corp. Chichi. Dagestan. Masalana. Pakistan's new Independence Day. Just remember that. It was a newly formed country. All the documents were wide. Bengalis were used to be Pakistanis. Saudi Airline, I used to work there. I don't work at Heathrow. I applied for American Airline, but actually I was supposed to work for as an American Airline apply, but it's like a contract. They used to send us to Saudi Airline. I used to work. Pakistani Mohsen Naqvi Uzbek Chini shakal wala gandu. Uzbek Shia. Always rating illegal Pakistani doesn't have enough documents, correct documents. Going to Saudi Arabia. I am that one. I am that master. Raja Rizwan Mushtaq, Interior Minister. Also Pakistan Cricket Board is chairman. Shahbaz Sharif is doing chairmaning. Indian thugs from 2 Larbak Drive called me. Another day called me. Come to 21st May. Annual medical test you required. No, I did not. Because 4 months ago, they did not call me. All of Indian, a lot of Indian, even for Hindu, Bengalis are there. Doctors came, nurses. They are not government, according to new world order. Sir, steer Karamar. According, they called me. I think it's a BRICS meeting happening, 21st May. It's an Indian doctor, highly educated. According to the new world order, Brexit account, we kicked it out, Indian Sikhs. Pakistani kicked it out. Bole, it happened. That's not even the terrorism charges to David Cameron. Sir, steer Karma. Donald Trump. coming back in an aircraft, talking in an aircraft. Hopefully flying over from coming from Beijing. Most likely gone for Pacific way. You never know from North Sea. I think that's enough. Anyway, guys, sorry if you find it. I'm not putting any title on it. Just date and the place. And that's it. Still people are watching from the dark one. Very occasionally someone like. But 2 times someone put a comment. One Bond Street told me that make a smaller videos. That's it. Make short and smaller video. The other one was going to 29th April. Was going to Air India. Missed it. Air India. Artificial intelligence. Oh, Air India was landing. Islam in danger. Islamization. Ithro Jamia Masjid Cranford Community School. Direction video. I think that's enough. Oh, look, Aghwani Thug. Aghwani family game. Thugs game. KSG learning tuition Sikh. Something Sikh. Khalsa. Everyone is a feeling. I was saying, yeah. And the other one was, on that day, someone called me. Jesus took all message. I don't know, something about Jesus. I delete the comment, man. Something else. 29th April. Jesus will take all your sins. Christian in danger. Bullshit. British law in danger, common sense in danger. Anyways, we will talk about. Oh, I should be stop saying anyways. And only one way. One way ticket. Bye bye.